I challenge you to watch this entire video and not add Ninh Binh to your Vietnam itinerary. This province, just 2 hours from Hanoi, has some of the most spectacular scenery I've seen anywhere in Southeast Asia. Stay tuned as I count down the 6 absolute must-visit places in Ninh Binh, from ancient capitals to mountain viewpoints that'll take your breath away. These aren't random picks. They're the result of exploring every corner of this region to find the spots that truly stand out. First on our list is Trang An Scenic Landscape, the crown jewel of Ninh Binh. Think of it as Halong Bay on land, with stunning limestone karsts rising from emerald waters, but far fewer tourists crowding your photos. Many travelers make a big mistake here. They rush through on quick tours, missing the true magic of this UNESCO site. To really feel Trang An's peaceful beauty, you need to slow down and soak it all in. The boat rides are what make Trang An special. You can choose from 3 different routes, each taking you through unique cave systems and to hidden temples. Each boat fits up to 4 people and costs about 150,000 Vietnamese dong per person. That's just over $5. The rides last between 1.5 to 3 hours, with stops at small islands where you can explore temples and gardens. Want to avoid the crowds? Head out early in the morning or around 2:30 p.m. The afternoon trips often finish near sunset, adding golden light to your photos. If you're after a more private experience, you can pay extra for your own boat. Movie fans might recognize the scenery from Kong, Skull Island, which filmed several key scenes here among the towering karsts. From Kong's jungle paradise, we climb to new heights at Mua Caves. Next on our list is a spot that separates casual tourists from those willing to work for Vietnam's most jaw-dropping panorama. The challenge is real, 500 stone steps standing between you and the summit. During midday heat, this climb can feel daunting, but the payoff is worth every drop of sweat. The climb typically takes 15 to 20 minutes, and as you catch your breath at the top, you'll understand why this is Ninh Binh's premier photo spot. The admission fee of 100,000 Vietnamese dong grants you access to the iconic dragon statue that serves as the perfect focal point for your photos. From this vantage point, the entire region unfolds below you. The serpentine Ngo Dong River, vibrant Tam Coc rice fields, and dramatic limestone mountains stretching to the horizon. Smart travelers visit early morning or late afternoon, avoiding both the crowds and intense sun. The mountain on the left side, as you face the stairs, offers the best views, according to frequent visitors. The seasonal rice harvest transformed the landscape with vibrant colors, making each visit unique. At the base, several cafes offer refreshing drinks and ice cream, perfect for celebrating your achievement after descending. While those cafes at Mua Caves refresh your body, our next stop aims to refresh your spirit. Third on our list is Bai Dinh Pagoda, an enormous Buddhist complex spanning 539 hectares, making it one of Southeast Asia's largest religious sites. Most visitors are stunned by the sheer scale of this place. Built between 2003 and 2010, Bai Dinh blends ancient spiritual elements with impressive modern architecture. The peaceful atmosphere here contrasts sharply with its massive size, which often catches unprepared visitors off guard. The star attraction is Vietnam's largest bronze Buddha statue, a 10-meter giant weighing 100 tons. Don't miss the corridor featuring 500 Arhat statues, each with unique facial expressions that tell different stories. These artistic treasures alone justify your visit. To avoid exhaustion while exploring this vast complex, take advantage of the electric car service. 30,000 Vietnamese dong per person. This small investment saves your energy for appreciating the actual sights rather than walking between them. Plan to spend at least 2 to 3 hours here. What if you could walk through the birthplace of Vietnam as a nation? Fourth on our list is Hoa Lu Ancient Town, where Vietnam began under the Dinh and Tien dynasties in the 10th century. This special spot is colorful during the day, shimmering at night. When darkness falls, 2 tower stupas light up with bright colors that transform the whole town. The glowing lanterns create a magical feel that's perfect for evening photos. History lovers will enjoy seeing how people lived during Vietnam's early days. The town shows off traditional crafts from famous villages like Ninh Van stone carving, Bobat pottery, and Van Lam embroidery. You can even try on ancient costumes or ao dai at the Y Van Heen stall for unique photos against the old-time backdrops. Hungry travelers can taste real Vietnamese foods that are hard to find in big cities. Things like molasses rice cakes, thornleaf cakes, and other treats made the old way. For an extra special experience, spend 80,000 Vietnamese dong, about $3.50, for a boat ride on Kai Lan Lake. The boats are beautifully decorated and give you great views of the town from the water. Ever wondered where the locals go when they want peace and quiet? Fifth on our list is Am Tien Cave, a spot so hidden that you'll likely hear nothing but your own footsteps as you explore. Unlike the busy waterways of other Ninh Binh attractions, Am Tien offers something rare: true solitude. What makes this place special is how the mountains completely surround a crystal-clear lake, creating perfect mirror images on still waters. To reach this hidden gem, you'll walk through 2 tunnels cut right through the mountains. Once inside, you'll find small temples at either end and a temple cave that few tourists ever discover. The path around the lake is smooth and paved, making it easy for everyone to enjoy, even if you use a wheelchair or have a stroller. For just 20,000 Vietnamese dong, less than $1, you get access to one of Ninh Binh's most peaceful spots. The walk around the lake takes only about 20 to 30 minutes, but the quiet beauty will make you want to stay longer. While bikes are available to rent at the entrance, the short 1 to 2 kilometer path is perfect for a relaxed stroll. If you're cycling around Ninh Binh or visiting Hoa Lu, Am Tien makes an ideal stop. Don't miss the colorful rowing boats on the lake. They add a pop of color to your photos of this serene hideaway. Last on our list is Tai Vai Temple, a 13th century sanctuary that most tourists rush past. Built during King Tran Tai Tong's reign, this ancient site offers a deep spiritual experience few other places can match. What makes Tai Vi special? It's the perfect blend of history and nature. The temple's stone structures and detailed wood carvings sit peacefully among old trees, creating a calm feeling you won't find at busier temples. You can reach Tai Vi 2 ways. Take a boat tour from Tam Coc or bike through rice fields for the most beautiful approach. Either way, you'll see why locals value this modest temple so highly. Unlike many tourist spots, Tai Vai remains untouched by gift shops and food stalls. This keeps its authentic feel alive. Visit in early morning to have the entire temple to yourself, just you and 800 years of Vietnamese history. So there you have it, Ninh Binh's 6 must-see treasures. What makes this place special is that you get a complete Vietnam experience in just 2 to 3 days. Unlike Halong Bay, Ninh Binh offers that same stunning scenery but with fewer crowds and more freedom to explore at your own pace, whether by bike or motorbike. Don't rush through on a day trip. Give yourself at least 2 full days to truly enjoy everything from boat rides to viewpoints to ancient temples. Visit Ninh Binh soon before word gets out. If you have questions about planning your trip, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides.